Let me show you how to enter pairing mode on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. So on these earphones, first, if you have a Samsung phone, what you do is you simply open your earbuds like this, and in a short moment, if everything is okay, you should see a pop-up on your screen. So you see it pops up, we can click connect and they will get connected. If it doesn't shows it, what you do is, so you see with the case being open and earphones inside, as you see you have a button here on them. What you do is you simply press and hold this button for roughly maybe like 5 seconds. So you see I will hold it, click and hold it, and it will start to blink in various colors. So you see like red, green plus blue, so like this. And then again it should appear here on the screen. If it still doesn't appear here, what you can do is on your phone also make sure to enable Bluetooth settings, so click and hold on the Bluetooth also, and in the details, so you see they also should appear here, and you can click here to pair them. Okay, and you see they are paired. Okay, and all done, they should be working. Also, if you want to manage them on a Samsung phone, you simply go on your phone settings and they should appear here. Click over here and you see you can manage all the settings here. Also, perhaps if you click this thing and it doesn't open and not working, also make sure to go in your Galaxy Store. So Galaxy Store and download the Galaxy Buds app. Not download, but update it. So once you search it here, you should see option to update it. So make sure that is done, and then it should open here. For a non-Samsung phone, you have to download this application called Galaxy Wearable if you want to customize and control them essentially. So again, make sure this is downloaded. It works for any Android phones. For iPhones, we can still connect them, but they do not have such app where we can customize them. But for listening to music on iPhone, they also work, if you're wondering. Okay, so yeah, and also in the connection process, if at any time it gets stuck, so again, you simply press and hold this button for maybe like 5 seconds. And again, it will like resync, enter it again, and it will start working, hopefully. Good luck.